Today, we be doing some Roblox BEDWARS with the Agni kit, the level 10 Battle Pass 10 kit. So yeah, it came out like some time ago, but I did not spend Robux to get a level, so it took some time to get it. So yeah, let's hop right into using this kit.
To do the step 1, it will be really good for my kit, even though I don't really know what it does yet. Okay, yeah, this is good because if that player is going that way, I can break their bed plating instantly. Okay, yeah. What the heck? Okay, yeah, that's weird. Easy kill. See, I can't even get their bed. Don't know why, but it's a bit weird, in my opinion. Body messes with me. Because then their bed goes. Yep, come back, kid. Come back, enemy. Enemy dead, enemy dead, enemy dead, 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 dead. That's easy. So, oh no, that's bad. Good thing they're bad. They died. I'm gonna go off the blue team and see if I can break orange team's bed for the XP. I think this will be a good kill them, but they have iron armor. And can I get iron armor? Yes. There we go. Okay, that's a bit weird. What can you get when you have the iron era? You can get weird items, you can get bad items. But maybe I can get the axe, because the axe will help me. So yeah, I will win this match, hopefully. So guys, like, comment and subscribe. Like, comment the time of the best part you think of the video, and subscribe subscribe with the notification bell on so you never miss a video of Tama and Nerd Kiddo. And it will support the channel. Hey peeps, we just got a blue team's bed out. Good. But now don't. Okay, yeah. Because of the void. That's annoying. Okay, that dude's Facebook. Bye guys. Don't subscribe.